In this video, I will show you how you can edit videos in CapCut on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just install CapCut on your iPad. Now for that, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install CapCut on your iPad. After you do that, then just tap on Open. And you will see this interface. Now to start a new project, just tap on New Project over here. Now just select the videos which you want to edit from your Photos app. For an example, I will select these videos. Now after you select the videos which you want to edit, then just tap on Add, and you will start a new project. Now if you want to trim the start and the end of a clip, just tap on the clip to select it, and then drag these bars to trim the clip, just like that. And if you want to split a clip from the middle, just select the clip, then just tap on Split over here. And after you do that, you will split the clip into two halves. And by that, you can trim the part which you don't want. Now to add a background music, just tap on Add Audio. And from here, just select Sounds. On this page, just select the folder over here to go to the File section. Then under the File section, just select Device. Now just tap on Select from Device. And from your iPad, just select any background music which you have downloaded. Then just tap on Open and tap on the plus icon over here. And after you do that, you will add the music to the video. Now if you want to mute the sound of the actual clip, then just select Mute Clip. And after you do that, you will mute the audio of the clip which you have added. Now if you want to add captions, just select Auto Caption, or you can select Add Text. If you select Add Text, you will be able to add text manually. Over here, you can write your text, just like that. And over here, you can select the font and the animation for your text, just like that. Once you're done adding your text, then just tap on Done. As you can see, this is the text which we have added. If you want to show this text all over the video, you can drag it and you can extend the duration of the text, just like that. Or you can shorten it as you want. Once you're done editing your clip, now to export the file, just tap on Export. And after you've done that, now just tap on Done. As you can see, this is the file which we have exported. And if I go to the home screen, now let's go to the Photos app. As you can see, this is the video which we have edited using CapCut. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.